The sugar stick is a candy very easy to make. Here we will show you how. The ingredients are sugar, brochette sticks, cloth pins, cups, and food coloring. Place 1 cup of water and 3 cups of sugar in a pan and heat until it boils and starts to bubble. Then remove the pan from the fire and let it cool. Take the cups and add the food coloring, then add the sugar preparation and mix. Take the brochette sticks and soak in the sugar preparation. Put sugar in another cup and dip the brochette sticks. Take the cloth pins and secure the brochette sticks inside the cups with the mixture. Make sure the sticks are suspended and are not in contact with the cup surface. Let it rest for 4 days. Then remove the brochette sticks and we will have the sugar candy sticks ready.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.